The great battle. The true battle, the most significant one, is waged within you, against your consciousness, against the realities you have created and those you are about to create. As the architect of your existence, today is the day to start building the life you truly deserve. A life filled with health, love, happiness, well-being, and abundance. Rise, rise, rise from wherever you are. You are a perfect being. The events of the past no longer have the power to plunge you into sadness. Rise, rise, rise from wherever you are. You are a perfect being. Anxiety about what the future holds no longer controls you. Rise, rise, rise from wherever you are. You are a perfect being. Your ego was buried in the past. Rise, rise, rise from wherever you are. You are a perfect being. You decide to whom you give your precious time. Rise, rise, rise from wherever you are. You are a perfect being. The disillusionment caused by the political climate no longer disturbs you. The fear that traditional media tries to sell you no longer affects you. You are a free being. You are healthy. You are happy. Abundance follows your path. You are escaping the matrix. Thank you for taking control of your consciousness and taking the reins of your life. You have triumphed in the great battle.